You're funny. You have the hiccups. Yeah.
Lots of trouble tonight. Quinn has the hiccups, and Mommy has the hiccups.
You have more than I do. Yes. Yes.
Quinn's are a little more often.
Yes.
Mom's are a little more aggressive.
No. Yeah.
Either way, Quinn is pretty amused.
We have the hiccups. Yes, we do.
Quinn gave herself the hiccups so Mom wouldn't feel funny.
Yeah. I probably have them from leaning over, and you probably have them from lying down.
Whoa.
Sorry, I scared you. I scared you.
Didn't look too scared.
You made a funny face, though. You made a funny face, though. Didn't you? Yeah.
Can you believe that, Quinn?
Yeah. Ooh. We both have them. Yeah. It's so funny. You have about 3 for my one. Yeah. Or more. Ooh. Yeah. You're sticking your hand in your mouth to stop them? Yeah. Do you think you can fit both your hands in your mouth? He actually is tired. He's rubbing his eyes. Yeah. Still hiccuping. Maybe Daddy should take you upstairs now and change your diaper. What do you think? Oh.
You can't change Quinn's diaper when he's hiccuping.
Yes, you can.
Well, there's a lot going on here, isn't there, buddy? He's almost got an individual finger in his mouth.
Ooh, exciting.
There's almost an
Or you were working the
individual finger.
a little bit. Yeah.
There goes the whole hand.
Mm-hmm. Just try one finger at a time. Yeah. Oh. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry.
What did Mommy do to you?
It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
What? You want to change him?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, buddy. Let's go change
I
you.
think your patience may be on the short side. Oh, you just bopped yourself in the eye, didn't you?
Okay, let's go change your diaper. Oh. See you, little man.